Welcome to the RJWC training video. No, I don't like training video, that makes it sound corporate. Welcome to RJWC 101. If you are looking for a video to help you with your tax returns, this isn't it. Today we're talking about Spark arrestors. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Robin, and today we're going to talk about, as he said, the Spark arrestors for the APX, Edition and Krossflow exhausts. Today we're going to do the Spark arrestor installation for the APX muffler. What you need is a 5mm Allen tool, and you have to remove these 4 bolts holding the end tip in place. Remove the end tip. It looks like this. And on this side of the APX mufflers you have a groove here. It's 3mm deep. The spark arrestor comes with a stainless shim ring and the spark arrestor. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the shim ring in the bottom of this groove, and you put the spark arrestor above it. It's going to create a perfect seal in between. Then you just put the end tip back on. And just tighten it down evenly. And you're done. We're going to do the spark arrestor installation for the Edition and Krossflow exhausts. So the spark arrestor and shim ring looks like this. It's a stainless ring, and you have a stainless spark arrestor. You have to remove these 4 M6 bolts using a 5mm Allen key. In the end tip you have a groove here. It's 3mm deep. So what you do is that you put the spark arrestor in like this, and then you have the stainless ring. You put it on like this. One thing that is very important is that you have these small lock washers on these bolts. You need to reuse those. It's to prevent the bolts from backing out. Then you just tighten them down evenly. It's also very important that you never put more than 2 items behind the end tip, because the groove in the end tip is just made to fit with these 2 parts. We're going to talk more about that later. And you're done.